Good afternoon all. Our next stop today is in Wembley, North London, and we are working on this, excuse me, train going past, on this Nissan X-Trail. That is a repeat customer from over in Ireland. Originally we came over to his work to do a Saab 9.3 that he was very happy with the success of. So he's brought the Nissan over from Ireland for us to have a go on this as well. We're doing a 3-stage carbon clean service. So that's our chemical clean to clean out the oily gunk and residue from the EGR and the turbo, leaving the dry hardened carbon, and then we use our hydrogen machine to clear out the carbon and an injector cleaner just to make sure that the injectors are firing nice and cleanly. So again, this is a repeat customer because he's happy with what we've done for him in the past. If you need our services for engine carbon cleaning, DPF cleaning or diagnostics, then please give us a call on 01293 769495 and we'll be happy to help you. Have a great day.